Welcome back. In today's quick Telegram tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Telegram calls vibrate only when your phone is on silent mode. This is a really useful setting if you want to stay notified without being disturbed by loud call sounds. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, messages, and calls. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the Calls section. Under this, find and tap on Vibrate. This is the option that lets you control how your phone vibrates when you receive a Telegram call. You'll now see different vibration options. To make your calls vibrate only when your phone is on silent mode, simply select Only on Silent, and that's it. From now on, your Telegram calls will only vibrate when your device is set to silent, helping you avoid unnecessary interruptions while still staying aware of incoming calls. This setting is perfect if you're in meetings, at work, or just prefer a quieter notification style without completely missing important calls. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks on the channel to get the most out of your app. Thanks for watching.